in our UVXY. We're a trading machine in the stock market. In the Mojo room. Let me figure. What's up, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, MOJO Day Trading. Got the 5-minute action happening with a nice bar on the UVs right here, and we're just making some nice moves and trading. So the Dow's and the S&P's finally coming down. S&P's at 0.451. May get a nice move right here. I'm going to do some selling into the spike. That's what we like to do. See if it gets over 30. It would be really nice. Here we go. On the ask at 30 and 29. Selling right there. Just a little bit of the stock. 2,000 and 2,000. Here's my open orders right here. You could see I'm up unrealized $517 on the stock. Done up $729 live on the stock, guys. Right here. You could see I'm up realized 3,652, unrealized 869 right there. You could see that on my TVIX position right here. Average cost is $16.25. Selling at $16.33 in the room. $16.34. Yeah, Mojo. That's what we wanted. Boom, boom. Give me the chat in the room now. Come on now. Give me the chatter, boys. How much do you love the Mojo? Come on now. Sold 16.32, 33, and 34. Up 500, 600. Make $4,000. Just trading TVIX today. What we do. If it dips, we buy it back. And if it goes higher, we sell it. We trap it on the ask. I'm on the ask selling right here and right there. Beautiful move. And that's how we do it. I knew if I went live, it would spark that sucker up, and it did. So I had like 8,000 shares of the stock. I'm canceling all those orders. I'm going to wait for it to go higher now. That's what we do in the Mojo Day Trade room. Great job. Good job in the demo. Absolutely. Beautiful. S&P is about to go red. S&P is about to go red. They may make another flurry up on this sucker right here. Here we go. S&P is going red. This may be a big, nice, beautiful move we waited for in UVXY and TVIX. S&P is up 0.6. S&P is about to go red. Dow should catch up, and then we got to jump about a 2-minute lag on this stock right here, guys. And we're going off to the races. Looks awesome. Here we go, 29. 30. Selling 500 at 31 right here. On the ask, that's me. Nothing filled. I want to get 31 and 34. I'm in rail grind right now, so I'm just skiing along the slope. I took a long time on the chairlift. Showing my orders live. It's what I like to do. It's amazing my competitors are after me again. Hey, my competitor, I just got your email. You said, this is me at blank. I just want to let you know that you're a complete blank and a blank, and we make more money in a day than you do in a year. I can't wait to take all of your chat room members. You're a loser. Go check your .net of your website. And your new one called the, it's called Behind Something. Go check the .net on that one too, because it'll redirect to my website. I'll take your traffic. Absolutely. Absolutely, I will. So that's how Mojo will do it. I don't need to call names and do anything, and I can legitimately do that. So if you're a big guy out there with a big chat room, go check your .nets right now, because they come to mojodaytrading.com. I'll sell you the domain. for $100,000. I'll do that. Why not, right? I could do that. I just got a new testimonial last night. I want to share it with you. If you don't mind. Would you guys mind if I shared this testimonial with you? Pro Trader Randy. I'm going to upload it to the tube. And then I'll share the video with you in the room. This is a Pro Trader Randy. Testimonial. This is getting added to the testes. Great job. Appreciate that also, by the way. Absolutely, I do. You know that. All right, S&P's up 0.3. It looks pretty nice. See if UV can get to the 80s and the 90s. That'll catch some steam on it. You know that. All right, I published it. Want to see the video? Let's check it out. This is Pro Trader Randy, everybody.
Great big South Carolina Gamecocks greeting to everyone out in Mojo world. This is Pro Trader Randy chiming in to give a huge, just like we do on game day, go Cops cheer out there to Pro Trader Mike and the entire Mojo Trading family. As I've approached the end of a long high school teaching career and looked ahead to the future, I've been unofficially following Pro Trader Mike for a couple of years now. Mostly on a part-time basis, I subscribe to his Swing Trade newsletter and would join the occasional Free Pass Friday inside the Day Trade chat room. I've slowly observed and absorbed as much information as I could, trying to build the confidence needed to make the full jump into the Mojo chat room and Mojo University. As I recently finished my 29th year in teaching and realized that I was now at the doorstep of my 30th and final year, I decided it was time to kick my day trade learning process into a higher gear. I contacted Pro Trader Mike a few months ago, outlined my desired scenario for a full year of learning and practice trading, and asked if he thought it was a good idea to go ahead and get started that far in advance of funding a real trading account. I more or less expected Mike to advise me to wait another 9 months or so, sort of assuming that he was too busy to deal with a student looking for such a slow learning process. But boy, was I ever surprised. Mike was understanding of my circumstances, suggested that I go ahead and get started to learn at my own pace, and even worked with me on the Mojo University tuition to make it as easy as possible, with my situation living on a teacher's salary and a son in his senior year of college.
Really, Carol? You have an emergency? That's the disruption. Thanks, Carol. I thought there was an emergency. Don't ever private message me during the show, guys, unless it's an emergency, like you're losing a lot on a position. Really, guys, please, you know the rules. You did it again, so I gotta go ruin it again. Okay, you had to do that. Now I'm gonna go back again. Come on, Carol.
Recently finished my 29th year in teaching and realized that I was now at the doorstep of my 30th and final year, I decided it was time to kick my day trade learning process into a higher gear. I contacted Pro Trader Mike a few months ago, outlined my desired scenario for a full year of learning and practice trading, and asked if he thought it was a good idea to go ahead and get started that far in advance of funding a real trading account. I more or less expected Mike to advise me to wait another 9 months or so, sort of assuming that he was too busy to deal with a student looking for such a slow learning process. But boy, was I ever surprised. Mike was understanding of my circumstances, suggested that I go ahead and get started to learn at my own pace, and even worked with me on the MOJO University tuition to make it as easy as possible, with my situation living on a teacher's salary and a son in his senior year of college. I've now been through 2 cycles of MOJO University and probably 50 days inside the MOJO chat room. It has truly turned out to be the case that I am a slow and methodical learner with the MOJO system, just as I expected. But Mike's teaching is structured to help a person such as me. I'm able to get multiple opportunities to learn each step along the MOJO pathway. Mike has set up his teaching to appropriately address many different styles and speeds of learning, and he shows a lot of patience with all of his students. Well, now I'm a graduate of MOJO University and have been given the status of pro trader. I don't think it's a coincidence that also within the last week, I've had my first consecutive set of 3 days in which I was profitable with my trading. Now again, I'm still engaged in paper trading and using Mike's demonstration trading platform, but I am gaining confidence each day and moving closer to eventually starting my real account once my 30th year of teaching starts to wind down. I'm using Mike's system. I'm learning to control my emotions as Mike has taught. I'm sequencing my entries and exits the way Mike has instructed me. I'm tapping trades the way Mike has demonstrated and stressed. And I'm journaling my experiences better and more concisely each and every day. Thank you, Mike, for allowing me to join your team, for having patience with me, and for giving me the multiple opportunities that you've had to share your vast trading knowledge with me. So this is Pro Trader Randy giving everyone, once again, a South Carolina Gamecock goodbye.
Awesome, Randy. Thank you, dude. Awesome, buddy. Thank you so much. And that's Randy right here in the room, guys. Live testimonial. Thank you for that. See that testimonial Mojo used? Beautiful. Okay? I was up 92, man. Get a nice move now in the UV into the 70s. Thank you so much for that. Let's see if we can get a nice move in our stocks now. Dow's up 92, S&P's only up 0.8. And get a nice move up here and see what happens, guys. Great job. 4th consecutive profitable day he's on now. Awesome. You right there. Randy. The Dow's up 93. It's unbelievable. It's like a perfect storm again. Every day it's like really giving us this great opportunity to make money. You know that. So, you know, Friday made $4,000. Thursday made $4,000. Today made $3,750. About to go $4,000 a day. So, been really consistently averaging around $4,000. Haven't lost on any trades. I don't know how anyone could trade better than me. Or, you know what happened in my webinar last night? My main competitor, that guy, came and registered as his own name. Kidding me? You're not going to come to my webinar. Get the hell out of here. I kicked him right out. So he sent me an email saying I'm a puss and he'll make more than me. Come, let's trade room against room. I'll put up 50 of my traders against 50 of your traders. We'll see. The whole room will trade. We'll do a poll. And we'll see how many of the traders make money versus how many don't in my room versus yours. For the 50 people, I'll give you all 50 people if you can beat me, and you give me all your 50 people if you lose. I'll do that all day long. Eventually, I'll have all your people because you can't trade like Mojo. You bought all these little tiny stupid stocks this morning. They're little tiny and stupid. If the shoe fits, wear it. Ooh. You know what the difference between the days in and the Holiday Inn is? When you stay there on vacation, not much. The Days Inn and the Holiday Inn. Hey, I'm going on vacation. I'm going to stay at the Days Inn. I make more money than anybody else. Okay. See, I'm having a webinar right there. All you got to do is show up. Try again, but use a different email this time. That would be the smart thing to do. Oh, look, we came back down again. Beautiful. It's giving us one more shot, huh? We'll have to scale in again at 19, 18, and 17, all on the way down on that 3 bars right here, because we're so patient. Right, guys? On the bid at 18 again. Filled 18. See that? I just bought that right there. On the bid. That's how you do it. You buy 1,000 shares on the way down. You sell it on the way up. That's day trading. Correctamundo. That's correctamundo. We'll see how people believe in this run on the S&P. We're up 96. 96 and 1.27. Let me show you as I've been tracking the Dow. Right here. So we did Dow tracker. 90 and 2. So it's been right here before. And UV and TVX was 16.25. So we're off about 6 cents. It's right now at 19.20 range. And before, when it was at 2, it was at 25. You see how I do the tracking? So when I know, be patient, and it's at 1.3 now, and this tracks the S&P. So you just got to be patient. Goes right back to 25. See that? That's how it works. Isn't that cool? I'm so confident I'll buy at 20. Even though I bought at 18, I'll buy one more on that little green bar. I got filled. See, I'm so confident. Now I got a better average because I did that. My average is, let's see what your guys' averages are. Mine's right there. I won't show it to you. So nice testimonial, Randy. Thank you. So the Dow's up 95. We're at 1.2. What's your average? Is 620. I'm at 24. You always beat me, Alan. It's because I'm not buying a lot of shares. Just keeping it right around here. I'm very comfortable with the Dow up here as a hedge against the market, just to be in something, you know. Wouldn't want to be in nothing else, really. Already played whatever else we wanted to be in. Your Nielsen. Alan traded this through 43. That's how we do it. We're 2021 again. Here we go. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. So there's a show on TV called The Good Doctor. This new show. And the guy can see things that the other people can't see. Good Doctor. Trailer, right? There's another trailer, actually. Let me see if the other trailer. How long is this one? Yeah, this is a good one. So there's this movie right here called The Good Doctor. And he could see things that the other people can't see, that I feel I can do in the stock market. And in golf, I could see things other people can't see.
I met Sean Murphy when he was 14 years old. Sean used to act like a normal human being. He was, and he still is, an extraordinary young man. Autism. Difficulty in communicating. He's high functioning. He's capable of living on his own. Difficulty in using language and abstract concepts. Does it sound like I'm describing a surgeon? He's breathing. He saved his life. Who are you?
I'm Dr. Sean Murphy. I'm a surgical resident at San Jose St. Bonaventure Hospital.
His mind is extraordinary.
Wouldn't have any doubts about hiring a surgeon diagnosed with autism. Justify your decision.
sees things.
It's his heart. Adam needs an echocardiogram.
What are you going? Yeah. Just bread and Caesar, yeah. Just the bread and Caesar, yeah.
Looks normal to me.
It's not normal.
This kid was sprayed with glass shards. What if a piece of glass entered his bloodstream? What could be lurking behind the heart?
You were right.
See that?
You were rude to me when we first met, and now you want to be my friend. Which time was it that you were pretending?
He's got a serious deficit. Child is alive today because of that deficit. And tomorrow won't be dead because of it.
Dow's dropping, S&P's dropping.
And we give hope to those people with limitations that those limitations are not what they think they are. That they do have a shot.
See, he could see the line.
You're the smart one. You can do anything.
See, let me show you what else I could see that other people can't see. Show you. See if they even have a video on it. Oh, we're moving on the stock. And I'll do it after. Gotta sell some shares. Selling 1,000 at 28. Right here. S&P's going red. Gotta sell into the surge. Selling 29 now. 1,000. Right there. That's me on the ask. LABD's moving. S&P's coming down. Dow's coming down. Just be patient. We're moving up into rail. Always got to sell some into the surge, though. There's no fill yet. S&P's going red. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. S&P's about to go red. Yeah, there's no videos on reading the line in golf. Very nice job, guys. Excellent job. That's what we do. I got a partial fill at 2,900 left. I sold 900 shares at 29. I'll buy that back at 24. It's $50. I just got filled. Bought it at 24. See that? I'll sell it. Thanks. I'll sell it back at 29. Thanks, man. Seen a full, dude. I trade live. I do. Boy! Here we go. On the Electric Avenue, boys. Nice. Alan loves this the best. Ready? Little Mojo rising. Always gets our stocks moving. The Mojo theme song. Mr. Mojo rising. Signal at 25. Got to keep on rising. Mojo rising. Mr. Mojo rising. Sitting at 28. The Mojo rising. Making money. That's how we do it, boys. Making money. Come on, Mr. Stock Market. Take a little dump. Dow's up 94, ready to correction. Ready to do a little correction. Here we go, baby. Come on now. Dow, S&P's up 0.3, 0.4, 0.3. Here we go. Go red. UV jumped 30 cents in this 5-minute bar like we like it to. 30-cent jump. That would be sweet. Mr. Mojo rising. Point 2. They're showing me right here. They keep on flashing me at 28. I'm up here. I'm sitting there. Just a test. I'm going to cancel that. I'm just going to wait for the Dow to go red and the S&P to go red now. Here we go. Let's make money. I am up unrealized $153 on this trade. I've realized $3,824 already trading the stock. Now let's see how much I can make. S&P's red. Here we go. Mojo rising, selling 1,029. There's me. You can't deny it. Gotta take it. They gotta take it. See? Patience. I'm getting a rebate on that trade. I'll sell 1,028 too. Just because I want to. They gotta I gotta leak off some shares and then it'll go higher. And back to the 153. They don't want to pay me so much money. They're like, dude, you can only make $4,000 a day. That's it. We'll cap you at that. I'm like, okay. Do that for 20 days and make $80,000 a month, $1 million a year. Okay, we'll do that. How about that? Are they going to take me at 28 or what? Mr. Mojo rising. I'll cancel the shares. You don't want them? Don't take them. I don't care. Don't take them. Either I'll sell it higher into the 30s or I'll get break even. I don't care. At this point, come on now. Kidding me? Give Mojo the pop it deserves. Got my golf magazine and my golf towel. My hands are all sweaty. I can read my golf magazine. Right here. My golf. Got an issue. Oh, I could have bought that car, but I didn't want to. I got my own car instead. Oh, I could buy that golf club right now if I want to. But I already got a big berth. I already got the best golf clubs. You know that? I could have been a professional golfer, but I make more day trading than I do a professional golfer. Professional golfer ain't making no 4Gs by lunch and shizzle dizzles. Got to work hard, man, and grind that golf course, bros. Dow's coming down, 88. S&P is going to go red again. See, this is the purpose of Dow Tracker technology. See, I have this right here. I know for a fact right here that this is at 88.17 compared to there, and we were at 1624. So there's a lag happening right here. You just got to be patient. And we pop this into the 80s, and then it'll jump to 90, and then this will really go back to 50. That would be cool. Mr. Mojo rising. Dow's going to go red again. Here we go. Come on now. I'll buy at 24. Sold at 29. Not getting filled. Cancel it. I'm gonna go 23. It's me on the bid. Filled, look at that. I just bought that at 23. See that on the bid? Got a rebate. That was nice. I'm like rebate trading now. Got a tight little pot. Missed the point, 0.4 on the Dow, on the S&P, comps red, Amazon's down 30, Apple's down $1, Facebook's down $3, Twitter's down, Nvidia's down, AMD's down, AOI's down, everything's down except the market. What are you kidding me? What are you kidding me? Here we go, 88, 85. S&P red. Mojo's so patient, guys. So patient. Look, I got my... Bang, bang. Playing my musical instruments. Just hanging out with my dogs. Hanging out with the cars and the dogs. Here's the car. Look at that car, dude. Look at that. Can you believe that? S&P's going red. Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You need to. If you're watching this video, badass. Guys, we need to have the, yeah, you can buy whatever you want. What do you want to buy? Can we rebuy some here? Yeah, rebuy what? The UV? What do you want to rebuy? What are you rebuying? Let's see what I got on YouTube. You monitoring my YouTube? Wilson's on YouTube. Cool. S&P's about to go red, 0.17. Oh, it's the same, 0.17. All right, keep it there, keep it there, keep it solid, 0.2. I don't see us making a flurry up. Let's see if we can make actually a little flurry down. Let's send our stocks a little higher, and then we'll call it quits for the Mojo Show because we made our money for the day again. Yeah, you can buy some TVIX here for sure, dude. Entry here. If it goes lower, dip some more. If it goes higher, add, and you're all set. Look, I'm down $239 on my position right now. Hasn't even moved. That means you can start calculating. I don't want to do that, so we'll move that out of the way. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? NXTD was up this morning. These small stocks aren't just working anymore. NXTD was $1.85. It's $1.58. People got destroyed this morning on that if you didn't sell it. RDFN was the one we traded. Redfin. See this Redfin right here? We traded it right here at 22, 23, 24, 25. Look at this stock, guys. Amazing, isn't that? Amazing, isn't that? Great move today on that stock. Really great move. So we're lagging a little bit from where we were before. We're lagging just a little bit. I'd like to see a nice bar like this. Let me move back to the 5-minute. Like this. 40-cent bar, 30-cent bar. Just let's get some movement, man. Would be nice. Just to have some movement. Dow's up 90. S&P's up 0.4 and everything else is down. Weird, isn't it? Like a perfect storm, man. How do you trade the stock market if nothing's working? Come trade with the MOJO Day Trade Room. Enjoy the show. Visit my site. Visit mojodaytrading.com. We're trading very successfully in the stock market right here. Very successfully. S&P's at 0.2. Here we go. We may touch redness. And then the Dow coming down at 89 may head to 85. Once we touch 85, we'll head to 80. and then the S&P will go red. I have a flurry of data coming in. You saw my thing spin. That means there's a flurry of data coming into my screen, in my platform. I have a stream, 14 streams, 3 platforms. I have an amazing system. When it bogs down with data, it'll flash for a second. I like that. Nielsen's back. Novin was a pick by Gerardo this morning through 6. It went to 670. I passed on that one. I didn't do that one. I didn't do Nielsen. They did that one through 43. It's at a high of 43.15. And DGAS was a smoker today through right here all the way up on the DGAS. I pretty much just traded my TVIX, even though everyone traded a little bit of everything else. And those guys in the demos did really well across the board. We have all my guys in the simulation demo platforms have been trading amazing. Great job. I want to congratulate everybody on that. And just as Pro Trader Randy says it, guys, we did excellent. So Pro Trader Mike's going to sign off the show now. I'll see you at my webinar. Go to my website, www.mojodaytrading.com. If you've never been to my webinar, come on by on Wednesday at 2 p.m. I'll show you how it works. Absolutely. And then you can talk about joining Mojo University with me for my next class, which starts on the 8th.